Hey everyone, in today's video I'm showing you how I'm converting sweeps coins to cash on Pulse. I'm going to be playing Wealth In, and I'm also going to show you how I chose this game and why it's a good choice for converting sweeps coins to cash. So stick around to see how my session played out. You won't want to miss it. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm going to be converting sweeps coins to cash on this website. I call it Pulsz. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. My husband says Pulsz. So I don't know, maybe you can let me know what you think it is in the comments. And maybe you know for sure what it is, so please let me know how to pronounce the name of this website. So I found a game on here that I want to play, and so this is going to be the very first time that I'm going to play this game. It is a low volatility game, and before we get started, I'm going to show you how I found it. The great thing about this website is that it shows you whether the game is low, medium, or high volatility, and I always go for those low volatility games. The best way to do this, you see how it's sorted by recommended, new games, previously played, top, exclusive. I go by here. So you might think I'm crazy, but I went through every single game. So I click on the providers, so B Gaming, so I clicked on B Gaming, so then it just shows me all of the games by B Gaming, and then you go through and you check. And then I went to Ruby Play and Relax, etc., and I made a list of all the low volatility games. And so all you do is you just click on the title here. See, it says medium because there are 2 out of 3 of these lightning bolts that are highlighted, and go to the next one. See, another medium. So I find the best way to do it is like this. So you just oh, wait a minute, like that. So then you can just click over here, Joker's Millions. See how fast this is? It's really easy to find what you're looking for. Oh, there's a low volatility one, Secure Riches 60. I'm sure I wrote that down. Anyway, so I made a list of all the low volatility games on here, and then I went to a website called slotcatalog.com, which is super helpful. And I checked out even though the Pulsz or Pulsz or whatever tells you the volatility, it doesn't tell you the RTP or return to player. And I found a really good one called Wealth In. It is a low volatility game, and it also has this website is great because it also gives you the RTP return to player, which is 96.6%, and it also gives you an option to play. You can play for free on here, which is great, and I have played this game several times on here. I just wanted to test it out and make sure that it's really is, what it says, 96.6% RTP. And when you do it, you play demo for free right here, fun play mode. So just click OK, and then we go right here and choose 500. So do 500 because that'll give you, and then start autoplay, and it'll just keep going. And you play at the smallest amount. This is 0.08. I mean, they're not dollars, they're credits. I guess 0.08 credits. And anyway, so I've played this many times, and it always converts at around 96, 97. I actually did it over 100% the last time I played. So I feel good about this game. So I am going to play it for the first time on this site, Pulsz or Pulsz or whatever it is, and with sweeps coins. Okay, so you see here I have 104.01 in sweeps coins. That is just from logging in daily, collecting my sweeps coins, and also taking advantage of really good deals. I only take advantage of deals if they're at least 50% off. Otherwise, I don't bother. We are going to look for Wealth In, and there it is. Okay, so you see low volatility on here. Play with sweepstakes coins. Yes, I am going to. And then if you want to play with gold coins, you would just toggle. Let's see what happens. Yeah, play with gold coins. But we want sweeps coins because I want to turn that into real cash. All right, so I always go, see if you click up the plus, it makes each spin more. So I want to go to the lowest, which is 8 cents per spin. 8 cents in sweeps coins per spin. And then we go here, and before we do that, I have to calculate. So I have, what was it, around 100? Oh yeah, 104.01. And I'm going to divide that by 0.08 equals, oh wow, 1,300 spins. Okay, so the most you can do for an auto is 500. So we'll start with 500, click Start Autoplay, and let it go. Wow, See, already, this is a great game. I love it so much. Big win already. Yeah, so as you can see, I mean, it's just winning at every few spins and even several in a row, and the wild comes up quite often. So it's, yeah, it's great. I'm very excited about this game to see what happens in the end. I hope it's at 100%, or at least, like it says, 96% conversion rate would be great too. And, oh, another big win. Yeah, highly recommend this game. You should go to slotcatalog.com and just check it out, and it's going to play like this for you too. Like I said, I have played it several times on there. I just want to test it out and make sure it's going to work for me, because I always want to make sure that I convert as close to 100% as possible. And I have been doing 100% mainly, or slightly less and a little more very often. So yeah, I'm really careful at selecting the games. I do lots of testing, and slotcatalog.com is so great for that, for testing out all the games. And yeah, I tested out a few others on slotcatalog.com from what I found on this site, and even though they were low volatility, they just didn't convert as well. And even though the RTP was like 96%, I don't know, it just didn't play as well as this. This really is great. I love it. Look at this. So many wilds, so many wins, frequent but small, and it just keeps it steady and converts really well. But I am going to pause the recording right now, just because 1,300 spins is going to make this video very, very long. So I will be back when I just have a handful of spins left, and then we can see what I ended up converting at. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have just a few spins left, and I'm going to show you how to find out how many spins left. So you just go back over here to the home page, and if you click on redeem, it shows you right here. So I have $98.10 in real cash to redeem right now, and I have exactly $1 in unplayed sweeps coins. So 1 divided by 0.08 is 12 and a half spins. So I have 12 spins left. So let's see, I think there might be a 10. Yeah, so we'll go with 10 automatic spins. So 2 more. 1 and 1 more. I have, let me just double check, make sure I did that right. Yeah, so I have 4 cents left in unplayed sweeps coins. So I ended with $98.14 in real cash. So that is pretty good. So 94.39% conversion rate. Can't complain. I'm very happy about that. As I said at the beginning of the video, I don't write to this casino, but you can write to this casino requesting sweeps coins, and there are so many other casinos that you can write to. And I learned about this from a course called Paid Per Letter through Send It Academy, and all of the links are in the description if you are interested in checking it out and learning how to do this the right way. For a lot of the casinos, when you write to them requesting sweeps coins, they give you $5 in sweeps coins per letter, and some of them are 3, some of them are 2, but a lot of them are 5. And then you take those sweeps coins and you turn them into real cash. It's so much fun and so easy to do, and it's totally legit. So check out those links if you want to learn how to do that, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So I will see you on the next one.